We're going to briefly tour the Trivia Starter project. This project gives us quite a bit to work with, including the logic that implements the trivia game. As a developer, you'll often build on code that others have developed, and this gives us an opportunity to examine how one reviews an existing Android app within Android Studio. We can pretty much proceed down the Android project view in order, starting with the Android manifest. In the manifest, we see a single activity, and the intent filter category tells us that it's the launcher entry point. Next, we have a series of fragment classes that contain the different destinations of the game that we'll navigate to. We also have our main activity, which is primarily a host for all these fragments. In the resource section, we have the anim directory, which contains animations that we'll use when we navigate between destinations. Below that, we have the various vector drawables used in our game screens and app icon, followed by the layouts for each of the fragments as well as for our activity. And then menu resources we'll use in navigation. Below that, we have the bitmap directory for our application launcher icon PNG files, and that is followed by the values directory, which contains constants used for colors and dimensions used in our layouts, strings for the default language, and styles. Let's run this app. As you can see, it doesn't do much of anything. The main activity will eventually host fragments from the trivia game, but for now, it's an empty shell.